Well, Deric has been having a positively perfect morning. Positively.
He's coming to us live from the Dog Animal Sanctuary in Meakstown.
Good morning, Deric. How are you getting on?
Yeah, good morning, team. A positivity. A fantastic morning up here in Spring. Good morning, girls.
How are you?
How are you? Dog Days is where we're at this morning, guys. Meakstown up in North County Dublin, Dublin 11. In fact, we've got Anya and Vivian with us. We'll kick off with you, Anya. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Deric, again. How are you?
Great to be up here. Now, tell us a little bit about Dog's Aid. What do you do?
Dog's Aid, we're here since 1987, so we're a long time established, and we've been kind of homing dogs in the Dublin area and further afield since then. We also run a clinic in Ballymun, a low-cost vet clinic, so that people who maybe might not be able to afford vet fees can come. So we try and help dogs as much as we can. So we take them in as strays, we take them in as surrenders, you know, and then we try and find the right home for them again, so that they don't end up getting homed again and again and again.
Yeah. You've a lot of dogs in your care at the moment. Talk us through that.
We've got about 70 in at the moment, so a lot of them are for homing. Some of them are forever dogs, so the ones we say are too old or too bold to be rehomed again, so this is their forever home, so they all need looking after as well. So we have, some of them are more nervous, some of them, you know, are more energetic, so they're going to require a little bit of extra time to find a suitable home, you know, so, and then some of them will live here forever with us, so we're caring for them all.
If people want to get a dog, then what's the process of adoption?
So we'd ask people, check out our website, check out our social media. If there's a dog you think might suit yourself and your family and your household, come on, give us a ring, come on up and meet the dog. As you can see, we've got fabulous runs here. You can spend a bit of time with the dog, see if it's the dog for you.
Get to know them a bit better, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If you have a dog yourself, you can bring that dog up and do a meet and greet. So then if you think, yep, this is the dog for me, you can book the dog, and then we organise a home check.
Okay, yeah. You've a great facility up here. You've put a lot of money into it, haven't you?
We have. This has been a long time in the making, and we've got it, so dedicated fundraising people that are just pure getting money together for it. So for the runs are the latest thing that's completed. We have beautiful overnight kennels. We've got some isolation kennels, but we need to get our barn area done, our yard area done. So we're still looking for money.
Lots to do and lots more to come down the pipeline. You've been here a while now, Vivian. How many years?
I've been here 10 years.
10 years.
It has flown in.
Yeah. It wouldn't happen without all the amazing volunteers. We met them here this morning. They're fantastic.
Yeah, they are. And we have about 40 to 50 volunteers. And some volunteers will come up here 1 day a week or 2 or 3 days a week. They might spend 2 hours, 8 hours, whatever is convenient. We're very flexible, and we really need volunteers up here to help us.
Yeah, it doesn't happen.
Yeah.
And of course, it doesn't happen without money. And you're always looking for a few bob.
Yeah, and at the moment we have 2 Oasis tickets that supporter donated to us, and we're raffling them off, and it's still open until the end of May. So if you haven't got your ticket, go up to our website and please buy a ticket. It's only €10, and you can really help us do amazing work up here.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, you get ready for the doggy show here. Of course, as we mentioned, the volunteers are so important to what you do down here.
Absolutely. We're entirely volunteer-based, and there's nobody paid here, so we depend entirely on volunteers. And as Viv said, you know, we're not going to ask people to stick to anything rigid. You know, if you can come up, we'd love you to come up. Some people it suits to come in the morning, some people then come and do the evening time, some people come and do walking, and we could not operate without the volunteers.
All right, we're going to have a little doggy show to finish, and who have we got first?
Now, so this is Leonie, and she's got Mo. Mo is 11 years old. She came into us about 6 months ago. She's a typical Jack Russell. She's very playful, very cheeky. She's having a little bit of a snort at the moment, God bless her.
And she's loving the sunshine.
And she's loving the sunshine.
She's gorgeous.
So people forget about the older dogs. They forget that actually they can make fabulous pets. She's only 11 in terms of Jack Russells. That's not very, very old. So she's not going to want mad amount of exercises. She's not going to chew your sofa. She's going to look for nice walks and a good snooze.
And someone older maybe would be perfect for her.
100%, yeah,
would you believe our director's called Mo, and she's looking for a dog. So there we have it, Mo for Mo. Absolutely. All right, next up, who have we got? Up this way. Now, who have we got next?
Now, so this is Sarah, and Sarah has Puddin.
Yes.
So Puddin is a 3-year-old French bulldog. So she came in as one of 5. We have her brother Roby is going to be in the parade later on. She is chilled out. She wants pets, she wants snuggles, she wants a sofa. She doesn't really want a mad amount of walking, you know, so a little toddler, a good sniffy walk would suit her down to the ground. Puddin is a sweetheart.
Absolutely. What age?
She's about 3 years old.
About 3.
And French bulldogs. There's a lot of French bulldogs at the moment. There was a big interest in them over COVID, so we're beginning to get a lot in now. But yeah.
Okay, beautiful. And loves the rubs and
loves
the hugs.
The rubs.
All right, next up, who have we got?
Now, this is Dash. He's a 2-year-old dachshund.
And who's the volunteer?
So, and this is Aileen. Apologies on dogs first. So, Dash was surrendered because unfortunately he's not great with children.
Okay.
So he's going to be looking for an adult-only home. As you can see, he's very playful. He's playing with our Mark there. He's a very, very sweet boy. Gets on well with the other dogs, just not great with children.
And can I just say, he's a gorgeous coat on him as well.
Beautiful colour. Yeah, no, he's a great boy.
Yeah, plenty of go on him there.
As you can see, we get full bred dogs in as well.
Brilliant, thank you so much. All right, next up, who have we got?
This is Roby. So this is Puddin's brother.
Oh.
So again, he came in, and again, he's very chilled. So there was 2 other Frenchies came with and were more energetic. He's chilled, he kind of just likes to suss things out. Again, he'd love a snuggles and, you know, a comfy sofa.
Yeah.
And kind of that's him, you know, so he's not going to need a lot of exercise.
Dog.
Again, an older couple.
Gorgeous, thank you, Vivian. And finally, this girl's my favourite.
This is Lady. Lady is our 3-year-old Belgian German Shepherd cross.
Yes.
She is a beautiful working dog. She's going to need somebody who's interested in training, interested in dog sports, interested in, you know, high activity. Very, very clever, and needs, you know, a lot of stimulation and a lot of training.
Yeah.
Whatever you teach her, she will love to do. So
I mean, I grew up with German Shepherds at home, and I mean, they're great pets, aren't they?
They're fabulous pets. Now, as you can see, Lady's getting a little bit, you know, over the top at the moment.
Oh, yeah, she's excited.
She's excited.
She is excited.
Is why she'd be looking for a perfect working home. She loves her toy, and she's sitting on her mouth. She's happy.
Where can we find out more online?
Dogsaid.ie, our Facebook, our Instagram.
Wow.
On the phone.
TikTok, you're on it. All right. And of course, they're always looking for donations or volunteers. If you've got a few bob, guys, send it their way. But for me and all the crew here, look at all the doggies. Who let the dogs out? Back to base. Oh, so cute.
Lovely stuff, Deric.
I hope they get homes there this morning. Look at that. Oh, it's so gorgeous.
Yeah, we've done both. We
girl.
have a retriever, but then we also rescued a dog from Dogs Trust, and the work they do is incredible.
Yeah.
If you are in a position to, you know, foster or adopt a dog, they sometimes have a few extra problems, you know, behavioural stuff. You have to give them time and love, but it is well worth doing because they make fantastic
work.
pets. All right, still to come on Ireland AM, the hottest movie and TV choices of the week, including edge of your seat thrillers and hard-hitting documentaries.
We've got 2025's trendiest trainers on the catwalk.
And the perfect wines. We're all looking forward to this one. For Mother's Day, we'll see you in a few minutes.